Hello there, my beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, where you'll find all things beauty and more. And I am Kim, and today I am going to do a look with some of my favorite products, and some of these are newer products, and this is especially for products that I use for women over 50, what looks good on mature skin. So stay with me and we will get started. Today I'm going to start with using my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. So I'm going to start with this today. I hope everyone is having a great day today. We are fortunate that we have power after the storm Helena. We did lose cable and internet though, but I consider us lucky because we do still have power, and there are so many people out there without power, TV, internet, or power, and have things that damages around their home, and we were just fortunate. So my heart goes out to all of those who were affected by Hurricane Helena. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this in. Okay, and again, that's the e.l.f. Halo Glow. And today I'm going to use the new e.l.f. Soft Glam foundation, and this is the satin foundation. And this has a buildable coverage. Let's see if I like this the second time around as much as I did the first time around. So we'll just pat this in. So there's the foundation. And next we're going to do contouring, and today I'm using Natural Face Multifunction Stick, and this is in Mocha. And you start up here, don't go too low. As always, stay higher. If you're over 50, everything tends to go down and drop down, and we don't want everything to drop down. We want everything to stay up. A little bit on my forehead and on my jawline under my chin. Just bring that down in the front a little bit to disguise the little waddle that I still have left. I am losing weight, and so with losing weight I am getting rid of a lot of that around my neck, but I still have that little tiny waddle right under my chin, so we're going to disguise that. Now we're just going to blend this up. Keep everything going up, and this just gives you definition. And up here with the hairline, I just put that into the hairline, and this really helps if you have a higher forehead. You can use a little bit more than I use, but I don't have a high forehead. I just do it to bring a little bit of color to my face. And then we're going to blend this on our jawbone. Blend that down in the front. And see how that just kind of disguises it? Just kind of disguises, has that contour there and disguises the jawline. Okay. And then we're going to go with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator for highlighter. I'm going to take my ColourPop F33 highlighter brush and just blend that in. And not down the front. And that just brings a little light to your face. And today I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush. And this is called Goldly Cassis. Not really sure why it's called Goldly Cassis. There's nothing gold about it, but that's what they named it, so. And so I'm going to take my ColourPop F30 blush brush. I'm going to place that right between the highlighter and the contour and higher up on the cheek, because we want, again, we want everything up. We don't want anything coming down. And then I'm just going to blend the edges of that in. I'm trying not to blend so much today, because sometimes I blend it in a little too much and then you can't really see it. So if I overdo it today, I apologize. Next, we're going to use this Maybelline Instant Rewind Eraser Concealer, multi-use concealer. And I love this concealer. And this is in Cool Ivory. So I'm just going to take that, bring it around my eye and up the corners there. And I may apply some more later after I get my eyeshadow on, if I need it. So I'm just going to pat that in under my eyes and the outside of my eye. Take care of some of that darkness. And the warmth of your finger just kind of makes it melt right into your skin. But I just think this is a wonderful concealer. Then I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm just going to blend that in a little bit more. Isn't that just a beautiful concealer? And of course we have eyebrows next. We have to do the eyebrows with my brush here. And of course eyebrows are very important. However, I usually just do the minimum because I am not a fan of eyebrows. So I'm just going to outline my brow. And I don't have thick brows. The other side. don't want to bring it too far down. We want to keep it up. And I am using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. But I am also going to use the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This just seems to cover a little bit better, especially for the thicker part. Next, I'm going to brush my brows into place again, and I'm just going to spread this brow pencil throughout my brows. And today I'm using my Bellamy black eyeliner pencil. I do have several eye pencils. However, this is my favorite one, so this is why I always use it. I'm just going to line my lower rims. Then I'm going to take my Il Makiage Black Card Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm just going to do the outside to the middle. And then this side. And so there is the eyeliner. And next I'm going to use Essence Lash Princess today in black. And a lot of people, or some people, like to curl their lashes. If I'm going for a special occasion, then I'll curl my lashes, but I am not going anywhere special today, so I'm not curling my lashes. And next, we're going to use the Revlon Illuminance Cream Eyeshadow. I love the cream eyeshadow. And today, I'm going to use this pink one here. And just spread that over my eyelid. And I just put it on at the bottom. And then I just take it up gradually so that it's lighter towards the top. And the same way with the other side. And gradually go lighter. And then I'm going to take my little eyeshadow brush here. This is ColourPop E30. And I'm going to take that color and I'm going to put it under my lower lash. Next, I'm going to take the lighter color, which is this color here, and I'm going to put a dash of that on the inside corner of my eye. And again, I just press my lips together. And last but not least is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. And I just reviewed this recently in my last video. Just going to place this all around my face just to lock in the look and set it. And as I said earlier, I am going to use just a little bit more concealer around my eyes, so I'm just going to pat that lightly. Just pat that in up around the corners of my eyes. And then again, I'm going to take that brush, powder brush, and just lightly go under my eyes. Okay, so that is the finished look, and I will finish getting ready and I'll be right back. I'm back, and this is the final look. That is such a pretty highlighter. I really do like that Wet n Wild highlighter. And I love my City Lips lip plumper. Makes your lips feel so nice and moisturized and plumps them up really nice. And there's this side. Okay. Thank you for watching, and if you have any favorite makeup for women over 50 that is very affordable that you know of, I would love for you to comment that below. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.